We're here at the Summerland flagship farm, which is a 12-acre, what we call legacy avocado orchard, one of the original plantings of avocados in this region, about 7/10 of the mile from the Pacific coast. And we're here to demonstrate a multi-species, multi-strata agroforestry system. My name is Jesse Smith, and I'm the Director of Land Stewardship for White Buffalo Land Trust. My role is to manage and steward our Summerland flagship farm, as well as the Halama Canyon Ranch up near Lompoc, California. White Buffalo Land Trust is a 501c3 nonprofit with a mission to practice, promote, and develop systems of regenerative agriculture. Our fields of focus are direct land stewardship, education and training, scientific research, and enterprise development. Our team at White Buffalo Land Trust received a Healthy Soils Program demonstration grant from the California Department of Food and Agriculture in 2019. It was a 3-year program in which we are establishing multi-species hedgerows amongst a sloped avocado orchard. We have planted approximately 2,500 linear feet of hedgerow, and we planted it in such a manner as it can capture both runoff nutrients as well as moisture that come out of the avocado orchard above it, as well as create these corridors for harvesting, maintaining, and coppicing so that we can reincorporate those nutrients into the orchard system. So as we were doing this planning, the design process takes into account both the inherent growth characteristics of each plant, whether it's a tree, a shrub, a ground cover, or even a vine in some instances, as well as our planned management, maintenance, pruning, and harvest regimen. Some of the trees that we have out here have the potential to gain much larger heights, but take really well to a heavy and regular pruning, where we can keep them more in a hedged or manicured context. The major spacing of our keystone species is roughly 8 feet on center, and we've then subdivided those species with the interstitial planting of bunch grasses or ground covers. We have also integrated some overstory species to assist in nitrogen fixation, as well as some windbreak, and those are on closer to 20 to 25 foot spacing. We're really looking for a good blend of species that provide pollen throughout the year, as well as different forage availability for native wildlife. We experimented with multiple different planting patterns with the keystone species of feijoa, also known as pineapple guava, a true white guava, a yellow guava, and strawberry guava, as well as our native hollyleaf cherry, a fig called an Osborne prolific fig that really does well in these coastal environments, as well as carob, a more Mediterranean dryland crop that also supports a nitrogen fixation. As some of the supporting species, we've chosen perennial bunch grasses such as lemongrass and vetiver grass, as well as ground covers in the form of a goldenberry, also known as poha berry, and a lemon balm, which are both adapted to Mediterranean and subtropical regions. So many of these plants provide the dynamic accumulation of micronutrients that we can either chip or just chop and drop as mulch within our orchard. This grant offered us the opportunity to not only implement the practices of hedgerows, but also to support our community engagement so that we can bring people to the system and we can have discussions around the planning and design of our hedgerow implementation, as well as the individual species and where they might be appropriate for other people. So as this system matures, what we're really looking to see take hold here is a perennial corridor where we can come through, seasonally harvest fruit or biomass, both for human consumption as well as to reintegrate back into our avocado orchard. To learn more about our on-the-ground projects, visit whitebuffalolandtrust.org and sign up for the next field day. We look forward to having you.